Hey guys, this is the Meland Camping Forest Adventure Kit. Comes in a decent sized box with everything included listed on the back. This is a little stand that folds up nicely. There's a little piece right here that comes with pictures in it. You insert this little slide into the lamp, turn it on, you get a light, and this produces a photo or a little picture slide on your ceiling or wherever you're pointing. This clicks and slides it. Oh, I put it in backwards, sorry. And you click and it changes the picture slides. This lantern lights up with the press of a little button, and it's super cute because you can hang it on that wooden pole for some light. Another cute thing that it comes with is a little campfire with a grilling rack over it. This takes 3 AA batteries. So adorable. Comes with this little box that you open up, and in here you have cute little foods that you can put on your grill. You can also put the food on this little hook right here. Looks like it's hanging from sticks. It's cute. This kit comes with a little water canteen that can clip onto a belt, a shirt, anything like that. The only thing is mine did come with a crack in it. So it makes you question the quality, but you really don't need it to still function with this. Screws open, there's a little tiny hole. I definitely won't be using it for real water, but it's cute for a toy. You get a little fork and knife kit. I really don't know what this is, but I guess like you have your knife, a spoon, fork. They're cute. It also comes with this little dish. It opens up and you can hold it. I'm not sure if you would put real bugs on here and use the magnifying glass to inspect them, or if you would put your pretend food in here. I guess it could go both ways. Comes with lots of buggies. My favorite part is this. It is a light, a compass, and a whistle built in, all 3 in one. There's a cute little hat, which you can totally wear reversible, but orange is safe and fun. My son loves this. There's a little axe with a knife on the end, and nothing is too pointy or sharp. It's all for fun. The magnifying glass, like I showed before. A little bug net. This is cute. You can put a little bug in there. It has little holes. Examine it. Fun for sure. Binoculars that are super cool. They don't work the greatest, but they are fun. Comes with a little string backpack that stores everything inside. Everything fits in here. This closes nicely. I showed opening it before. This is it closed. This is the bag closed up with everything inside. And this is the tent that comes with it. It's cute. It's mesh on both sides so that you can see through. Breathable. The front has Velcro. Also rolls up. You can tie it so that it stays open. It folds up nice and compact. I'm not going to fold it right now because the kids are playing in it, but it is easy to fold up and take with you on the go.